Hi, we are at I'm from the Ansar Organic. We are from in the Eshmar Expo. We are selling the cold pressed oils. We have black seed oil. We have the almond. This one mustard oil. We have almond oil. We have neem oil. We have sunflower oil. We have wood body lotion. It's the all other chemicals free. They are pure and we have the coconut oil also. We have the hair oil. We have two types of the hair oil. This one is I made 25 mix herbs and it's very nice, and this one is a blend of the hair. It's also for the good for the hair oil. We are based in Thika and we have another shop in the Nairobi also. So you can contact us while our number. The number is 0112685776.